This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 30G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, microwave, spare tire kit, awning, oven, skylight, slideout, Colorado Detector, TV, air conditioning, leveling jacks, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 30G is 8,800 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.